Hi there. Hey, I'm no expert on audio or recording. I'm just getting myself started here with a microphone. And I wanted to document how to set up a Shure MV7 Plus microphone with the ability to kind of comment on videos that you might see on the web, where you can actually hear it in real time and also have it blended through in a video. I'm using Camtasia, and I don't think it makes too much of a difference, but I'm using Camtasia to do this recording. And for the longest time, I literally spent the last half hour kind of trying to figure out why was there an echo happening, either first through my earbuds or through something else. So the first step is you definitely want to make sure that you are using the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. You can't really use Bluetooth headphones. I'm using a Macintosh here. You can't actually use Bluetooth to kind of do that. It just doesn't work. You need the hardline connection. The next thing is you've got to bring up this Motive Mix app that actually I'm not crazy about the user interface for this. But once you kind of get the hang of it, it starts to make a little bit of sense. This is a virtual mixer, and you can give it the input sources and the output sources. And you really want to set it up like this, where you've got the input source of the actual MV7 Plus microphone. You also, in order to get the system audio, need this little virtual Motive Mix thing. So if you notice when I play a video, I've got this video right here.
Larry is just, and if you can make Larry laugh, he's like, oh!
You see how I can speak over.
But he loves,
this is Edge. I'm using Microsoft Edge.
Yeah, like George McCready and all these people. And,
okay.
But he loves
so, and I can comment on it. The other thing that I have going on is I have something called a utility called Sound Source. And I'll just show you here the settings that I have for Sound Source. So on the Macintosh, it's a little utility that lets you create configurations and profiles for things, and I have it set this way. So anyway, that's how you do it in a way that doesn't drive you crazy with the echo, and where you can actually hear the live results.